Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 18, and the chapter name is The Earth and the Sky. So we will see about this chapter about the earth and the sky. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, because this holiday homework it will add in your term 1 exam. And you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. So please complete it, and please complete all the homework. It should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and please use the dark pencil, because whenever the school will open, if I will ask the homework to you, and you have to show me all the homework, because I have all the details. So it's better that you can complete your all homework till 17. I think you have completed your all work. If you don't, then please complete it. Go through the website of Hartford International School. You can take your homework in PDF file, and then you can complete it in your fair copy. So please complete it in your copy, and please do it in good handwriting, because you have a lots of time. So use the time. And in my case, that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, at least 30 seconds. And please take a bath every day. And it's a very serious disease, or it's a very serious virus, COVID-19. Because of this virus, we can die also. So it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the time with our family members. And maybe that school will open very shortly, so it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the online classes. So I'm just going to read the chapters and line by line. So please, you can take out your book. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So I'm reading, you also read with me, and please take your pencil in your hand, and whatever I told you to underline the sentence, that you can learn or you can read again once the online class will open. So please, you can read the chapter also. Now let's start. Do you know where we live? Yes. Do you know that where we live is, of course you will say a house where we live. But no, the answer is what? That we live on earth. When you will go in higher class, standard 2, 3, 4, you will learn much more about the earth. So we lived the earth. Earth is what? It's our planet. Earth is third planet in our solar system. Earth is third planet in our solar system. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we have at least 8 solar systems, 8 planets are there in solar systems. And third name is Earth. Third planet's name is Earth, where we lived. So if someone asks that where we lived, then you will say that we lived on Earth. We lived on the Earth planet. So our Earth is round like an orange. I hope that everyone saw the orange, its fruit's name. And our Earth is also like the same, like an orange. Our Earth is also like an orange. It is made up of land and water. And it is made up of what? Earth is made up of land and water. Earth is what? You can underline from our Earth, the second line, that our Earth is round like an orange. You can underline from our Earth. Then our Earth is round like an orange. This also you can underline. It is made up of land and water. It is made up of land and water. So our Earth is like an orange, and it is made up of with land and water. Means land and water is there on Earth. The land has many kinds of forms. The man is what? The land has many kinds of forms. So the land is there. They have different types of kinds are there, such as flat lands called plains. You can underline flat lands. So what are plains? Then flat lands called plains. The land which is flat, that landform is called plains. So if anyone will ask that what is plains, then you will say flat lands are called plains. Flat lands are called plains. Then these also you can underline. Mountains and small mountains called hills. Mountains and small mountains are called hills. Mountains and small mountains are called hills. So the flat lands are called plains, and the mountains, if any mountains and small mountains are there, that are called hills. This also you can underline. Between hills and mountains there are valleys. So in between the hills and mountains the valleys are present there, and valleys are where crops or food can grow. So valley is what? It is the area where we can grow the crops or food. You can see the picture, the top highest it is the mountain, then the middle is what? It's valley, and the down the flat land is called plains. So with the help of picture we can also understand, like the top hills of the mountains is the top is what? It's mountain. Then in between the hills and mountains it's valley where we can grow the crops or food also, and the flat land is called plain. Next is, see one box is there, that what is globe. So you can take here and you can write learn that you have to learn it, that what is globe. So we are carrying a small model of the earth. See, it's the circle is there, that is what? It's the model of the earth, that when you will go in the higher class you will learn. So just in simply you can understood that the small, that something we are carrying, and we are carrying a small model of the earth we can carry and we can go. So a model of the earth is called a globe. You can underline, if you want to write then you can write a model of the earth is called a globe. A model of the earth is called a globe. Next is, water is present on the earth in many forms. So we all know that our earth is what? It is made up of land and water. Earth is what? It is made up of land and water. So first land and water. So first of all we have taught about the land is also that in on earth that we have a different types of landforms are there, like plains, hills, valleys, mountains. So let's talk about the water. Water is what? On earth also the water is present in many forms, like seas, oceans, like lakes, rivers, ponds. So these all are what? Is the forms of water which is present on earth. So first is what? As snow on high mountains. So in the form of snow, it is on high mountain. Snow is what? Like when you will put a bottle of water on the refrigerator, then what you will see? After 2-3 hours it becomes the ice, and then if you can put this ice outside, then again it melts and it changes into form of water. So what? Snow is also a form of water which is present on the high mountains. So snow is what? It is also a form of water and it is on the high mountains. Second is, as water in lakes and rivers, seas and oceans. So in the presence of water we can see the water in the lakes also, in rivers also, in seas also, and in oceans also. So as vapor is in the air, so we can see the water is also present in the air, because with help of the water vapor, the water is also present in the air. Water in seas and oceans is salty. So the seas and oceans water is what? It's salty and it is not good to drink. So it's very harmful. So that's why we are not eat that. So we should not drink that water, seas and oceans water. It is very harmful to us. The next topic, the sky, that we will see in the next video. Till that, thank you and have a nice day. Please, once the online class will over, you can go through the chapter and you can read the chapter. In next video, I think I will give you the exercise also, 1 and 2, so that you can complete it at home. Till that, thank you, and please guys watch the next videos.